Hello, my YouTube people. I welcome you again to another video, drum lesson. And today's lesson, which I'll be doing, is very sweet and straightforward, very nice. I'm gonna break it down. There's this sticking which I've seen most drummers doing. One of my mentors taught me that. So, that sticking, you can use it for any kind of groove you want to use. So the sticking, I'm gonna show you here for you to understand. Just that simple thing. You can use it for solos, anyhow you want to do it. Be creative, like I always say. So left, right kick or right, left kick, depending. So left, right kick, left, right kick. Now you want to play in hip hop, it becomes like this. So that is it. Hip hop, hip hop, hip hop, hip hop. You can use it, choose any how you want to do. In 16th, it can be played, yes, it's counted in 16th note. If you don't know your 16th note, the 16th note is counted like this. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and that is, you get 4 4. That means it's counting 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This lesson is not only meant for advanced, no intermediate. It's meant for beginners. You can learn this as well. So take your time. Practice this slowly. You can create and be creative, whatever you want to do. So that's all for the lesson for today. If you love this lesson, please subscribe to my channel. The link is there below this video. Please subscribe. Also, your likes, comment, share. I will love it if you also comment. Let me know what you think about this video, because I post videos every Sunday. So let me know what you think. Let me know how you think about this video. So I hope to see you again next time. God bless you.